I'd like to talk about internal stains. In the internal stains, I have been using the internal stain with Lustre paste it's a long times. It is actually is a very good effect and easy to effect I get, and also I can make a difficult cases, color cases. I can make much easier and also short times. For example, this case. This case is porcelain hues to metal. But as you can see, a lot of different colors and black line, everything creating by Lustre paste internally and externally. And also, this one is porcelain one powder zirconia, initial one powder porcelain for zirconia, internally, externally by Lustre paste. Then all color creating by Lustre paste. Next, I'd like to show you how to apply to a full contour zirconia crowns with Lustre paste. As you can see, this is a full contour zirconia crowns. And when you apply, also this is anterior, but I applied Lustre paste externally. Then I can create it color like A1, A2 shade for one applications. And this is a lighter shade. As you know, the full contour zirconia crowns. Now is available several different shade, but it's this kind of lighter full contour zirconia crowns is easy to create it. A1, A2 like a light shade. But problem was darker shade. Darker shade is very hard to create colors because coping color itself is too bright. This time I did the internal stain with Lustre paste, then translucent, like a 2 or 3/10 of millimeter translucent, gray translucent powder top of that, then Lustre paste finish, which is I made shade like that. If you use the internal stain with full contour zirconia and 2 or 3/10 of millimeter thickness of the gray translucent powder, you can create it. It's a more depth for darker shade. Now I'd like to show you how to apply for full contour zirconia crowns. My application is the same as before. Just give one layer of the diluting liquid first with brushes. Enough use moisture to the surface of the crowns. Then large brushes to wipe off too much liquid. Take off too much liquid. The minimum of the liquid on the surface of the crown. Next is the same way as before. Neutral 50-50 with any color like A, B, C, D, or number 1 to number 8, number 8. Then same way, apply the darker shade like this, then minimum of the liquid, then add to it. Same way, minimum of the liquid, add to it, top of that, then tapping. And the same way, add, then minimum of the request, just control the request. This way, either you can create it same thickness of the materials, then you can create it nice, you can control the colors. As full contour zirconia crowns, the problem was we cannot, the coping itself is so too opaquish. Then so key is how to create the translucency color. That's a lot of people concerned about it, how to create the translucency. But the gingerbread color is already first application you can create it, like a A3 shade. The inside though is still too bright, like a whitish color. So next is I will mix with neutral 50-50 with number 3, like a gray, number 3 or 4, gray color, mixed together with neutral, then same application, then minimum of the liquid. Tap tap. Same way. Then minimum of the liquid. Then tap tap. As you can see, darker, this is much brighter. In the same applications, do same way here. Then minimum of the liquid. Then control liquid, then you can get more translucency looks. I think this way is a more you can control the thickness of the materials, and also you can control color also. The next, and I like to use white because the halo effect a little bit more. Then neutral mixed together 50-50, then apply just only inside the edges. Then this way more translucency color come from inside. Then you can see the white, you can see gray. I do for the full contour zirconia crowns. My application is a full contour crown, zirconia crown, or regular porcelain fused metal is the same applications. Depending on the full contour zirconia crowns, need to be more translucency color. That's why I mix with neutral and number L3 or L4 gray mixed 50-50 more than regular porcelain fused metal. Regular porcelain fused metal has more translucency than full contour zirconias.